Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickled green peppers. It's a fantastic way to preserve your harvest or enjoy fresh peppers year-round. We'll cover everything from selecting the best peppers to sealing your jars for long-lasting flavor. This guide will help you create a tangy, crunchy condiment perfect for sandwiches, salads, or as a tasty snack. Get ready to transform your green peppers into a pantry staple with just a few simple steps. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh green peppers, which can be bell peppers or a spicier variety. For the brine, combine 2 cups of white or apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1½ teaspoons of pickling salt. Also, have ready 2 pint-sized glass jars, new lids, a medium saucepan, a sharp knife, and a canning funnel for easy pouring. Now let's prepare the peppers and brine. Thoroughly wash your green peppers, then slice them into uniform rings or strips, removing any seeds. Next, in your saucepan, bring the vinegar, water, sugar, and salt mixture to a rolling boil, stirring until the sugar and salt dissolve completely. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. While the brine simmers, carefully pack your prepared peppers tightly into your sterilized pint jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. For the final steps, carefully pour the hot brine over the packed peppers, ensuring they are fully submerged and leaving 1/2 inch of headspace. Use a clean utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims clean with a damp cloth, then center new lids and screw on the band's fingertip tight. Let the jars cool completely at room temperature for 24 hours. For best flavor, allow them to sit for 2 to 3 weeks before enjoying. Store them in the refrigerator once opened.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.